Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po ay magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Brothers and sisters, we are now in the 17th Sunday in Ordinary Time. We know that great value comes at a great price. Valuable things do not come instantly. Sadly, however, many of us suffer from hurry sickness. We want to get things done immediately, but later realize that we have made serious mistakes because we approached them in the wrong way, at the wrong time, and with the wrong pacing. The rule of thumb for things of value is this: if you know their value, you must be ready to sacrifice everything for them. Our gospel today presents three parables: the parable of the hidden treasure, the parable of the pearl of great price, and the parable of the net. The first two parables are similar with only slight differences. The parable of the hidden treasure is about a farmer who, while carrying out his ordinary daily work, unexpectedly discovers a treasure buried in a field. Perhaps it had been buried by people who lived before banks existed and who were unable to return and retrieve it because they had died. After finding the treasure, the farmer sells everything he has and buys the field. Friends, this parable teaches us that the Lord may come to us in unexpected ways, through things, people, and circumstances we least expect. He may come to us through what we have overlooked, through what we have disregarded, through simple and ordinary people, and even through those whom we hate or consider our enemies. The Lord always takes the initiative by coming to us first and revealing Himself to us. Most of the time, He comes unexpectedly in the ordinariness of life. The parable of the pearl of great price speaks about a merchant who diligently seeks a precious pearl. Although he may have found other expensive pearls, he does not buy them. Instead, when he finds a pearl of great value, he sells everything he has and buys it. Friends, the point of this parable is illustrated by King Solomon in today's first reading. In a dream, the Lord tells him to ask for everything he desires. Surprisingly, Solomon asks the Lord to grant him an understanding heart, the wisdom to know what is right and wrong. He recognized the great value of wisdom in his role as a leader. This wisdom comes from God Himself. Once we have found God in our lives and accepted Him in our hearts, we will not want to lose Him. He is the pearl of great price. He becomes our priority and everything else becomes secondary. By doing so, we can find, experience the peace and happiness that the world cannot offer. The parable of the net points to another dimension of God's kingdom. It presents a welcoming kingdom, but also requires action and applies justice. The sorting out of those who belong and do not belong in God's kingdom will come at the time of judgment. What we do and what we value in life have consequences for the future. God will judge us, and His justice shall prevail at all costs. Lest we forget this because of the injustices occurring in our society. God's justice is certain, precise, and due. Brothers and sisters, this Sunday, we are invited to examine what we value. What we value matters not only in our daily lives, but more importantly, to our souls and our ultimate destination. May we find in Jesus the pearl of great price, and may everything fall in its proper place. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.